Well, in order for the knurling tool to work properly, I have to have the piece of aluminum farther out of the chuck than I want, which means I need to support it at this end, which means I need a live center, which means I need to drill into the end of each of these three to have a live center support point. So I'm going to go do that now and I'll be back. Well, it all went well right until I clamped the jaws down onto the freshly turned aluminum. I need soft jaws for this chuck. Order of operations, I didn't do things in the correct order. I might have done this and then that. Not sure where to go with it. Let's see if I can't clamp this down into here at some point and turn it down again. But for the moment, I guess we'll try it with the second one too. I don't have any soft jaws. I can't even make anything. All right, well, on to the next step. Well, there we are. At the end of the day, I'm very happy with how this turned out. I could have done a better job in the center section. I could have done a better job of turning things to a little more precision, but they work. These magnets are magnets with handles. I guess I could use them as a little coat hook too. It never occurred to me for that. But they're basically for holding down patterns and things. If I ever see any more of these magnets, I think I'm going to get my hands on them. I'm very happy with how this turned out. So that's it for today's little project. I know it's been chaos here in the world of politics today. I've been down in the basement hiding and ignoring what's going on in the world just because there's little that I can do personally. I hope everybody's safe and sane. I appreciate you coming and joining me in the shop today, and we'll see you for the next video. And if you enjoyed this video or others like it on my channel, I hope you'd consider subscribing. Thank you.